but we've seen some strength emerging in some of the pharma names as well. So Ashi, I'll come to you. The likes of Natco Pharma, Aurobindo Pharma have seen good moves this week. Even Glenmark Pharma was a buzz today, even though it's a subdued move coming in on a weekly basis. So what are you penciling in for these names and for the sector as a whole? In fact, what are the key growth triggers that you see for the pharma space?
We've seen in pharma, and it's actually come off a period of relative kind of underperformance over the last couple of years. There was significant pricing pressure in the US if you go back about 9 to 12 months back. That has very clearly kind of receded. So the pricing pressure that the sector was facing has basically come off. There are a few large drug opportunities that is actually benefiting the sector. Revlimid is clearly one of them, and there are a number of companies which are all actually benefiting from relatively large revenues and volumes at very high margins that are coming in. I think in the case of Aurobindo, they've recently cleared an FDA inspection without any observations. What you're basically seeing in terms of drivers is, by and large, when it comes to pharma, the US still is an extremely important market. And the combination of reduced pricing pressure, certain interesting drug opportunities is helping drive that. EM in India growth kind of continues to be relatively kind of a steady state. So it's really that, I think, a combination of pricing pressures recede and very interesting relative valuations that they started off is what's kind of leading to this overall optimism that you're currently seeing in pharmaceuticals. As long as this trend remains, the rally could potentially continue.
All right, Ashi, thanks for your view coming on that.